In front of me is a OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening settings and hitting connection and sharing right away. Now tap on print and tap on the footprint service right away. But if you want to, you can also hit add print service instead. Download any from your Play Store and wait for it to be ready. It will appear over here and you'll be able to use it the same way as the default one. So wherever print service you will decide to use, click on it and tap on gray switcher to activate it. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip though, if you still can't connect, you can use this plus icon at the top right corner. Tap on search by IP address and input it here to connect manually. Then hit add. Or if your printer supports Wi-Fi direct printing, click search over here. Select allow in the pop-up if you never used it before, and go in a second one if your location is disabled. Enable it thanks to this switcher next to use location feature. Go back, hit search again and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!